recording.
Alright, here we are along the lake, headed to Deals Gap. And I'm going to expect Deals Gap's going to be uneventful. I've not seen, I might have seen 5 motorcycles today. That was 2 of them back there. This is a Wednesday afternoon, 12:15. It's finally up to 68 degrees. I was going to go to Weir's Valley. Give me a hamburger. But then I figured, you know, why don't I save that 30 bucks? Go slay the dragon and run by the store and pick up enough hamburger meat for 8 people and still have 15 bucks left. I've probably seen more cops out today than I have motorcycles. There were 2 going somewhere on 68. The lights were flashing. As long as they weren't decorating me with an award, I'm happy. This video is going to go to the Overlook, and I'm going to cut it off. Start another one from there. I've been sitting on this bike now for 91.5 miles since gas. So probably 96 miles. It'll be 100 miles when I get to the Overlook, I'm sure. But I really need to stand up. I'm not like Glenn, Serpentine Surfer. I can feel my ass. But today is definitely pretty. It is a good day to be on a Honda VFR in the mountains. Alright, here's the Overlook. We're gonna stop. Shittier car day. What's that?
Are you here for a few minutes?
Clean my face shield and go. Why?
Well, I don't want to be in your way.
Oh, I'll go around.